I moved my entire life from Canada to Estonia, took on a business partner, and decided to completely restart my AI automation business from absolutely zero. No clients, no revenue, just our combined experience and a plan. In the first 45 days of this restart, we generated over $20,000 in revenue. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how we did it in 4 phases so you can replicate this process for yourself. Before you think that this is another quick money story, let me be clear. This wasn't luck or beginner's magic. I'd already built my previous automation agency to $77K per month and generated over $500,000 in revenue. But I learned some hard lessons about what works and what doesn't in the AI space. And I knew if I was going to start over, I had to do it completely different. The move to Estonia wasn't just geographic, it was strategic as well. Rob brought complementary skills, and together we had a thesis. Use our combined experience to build exactly what the market actually wants, not what we think they want. No more guessing, no more following trends, just pure focus on what drives real revenue in the first 45 days and beyond. The first thing we did wasn't build workflows or chase clients. We completely rewrote our entire video sales letter and revamped our webpage based on everything I'd learned about what actually works in the AI space. We moved away from one of the offers I had, which was fractional COO, and focused on clear, specific product-oriented solutions. We added concrete case studies from our combined experience and modified our LinkedIn to match exactly what we were selling. No more generic AI transformation language. Specific problems, specific solutions, and specific results. This foundation work took about a week, but it was a crucial one. While building our foundation, we started pushing content on LinkedIn and YouTube. We knew organic client acquisition was a long-term game, but we needed to plant those seeds immediately. Content wasn't just for views, it was also proof of our expertise in a way to attract the right people. Then, we did something most people skip. Warm outreach to our existing networks and communities, especially Slack groups. We didn't do any cold email initially. Instead, we focused on people who already knew our work. We also set up partnership deals with people in complementary industries. When their client needed operational and automation work, they'd refer to us, or we will do a joint venture on a given project. Here's where most people would start selling custom service and actually get stuck in a time for money trap. Instead, we quickly wrote 3 comprehensive lead magnets, full systems we actually use with clients, and pushed them on LinkedIn and YouTube for free. These were not basic PDF. They were complete systems and tutorials that demonstrated our expertise. The strategy worked perfectly. Those lead magnets are still paying off today. We sold multiple copies of productized version ranging from 2.7K to 5K, plus the $250 per month for the maintenance contracts we have for products. One custom projects become proof of concept, which becomes a productized system that we can sell repeatedly and install fast. Our thesis was simple. Use custom projects to assess current market needs, then build products from proven demand. This is exactly what we did with our AI content engine, for example. We built it once for a client, refined it based on their feedback, then sold it 4 more times. Each custom projects became market research for our next product. This approach meant that we weren't guessing what to build. We were responding to validated demand. By the time we productized something, we already knew there were multiple buyers waiting in line. So what did 20K in 45 days actually look like? Well, it was a mix of custom projects from our network outreach, product sales from our lead magnets, and maintenance contracts from satisfied clients. The revenue came from multiple streams because we built multiple ways to capture value. We did it this way because we knew the business is going to scale very hard with time when the organic content starts bringing in a lot more leads. The key wasn't working harder, it was working smarter based on real experience. We knew what worked and what didn't, and could execute without the typical trial and error phase that kills most new businesses. If you want to see the exact systems, lead magnet, and strategies we use to hit 20K in 45 days, I break everything down in my free school community with over 1.7K members now. You'll get access to the actual lead magnets we created, the partnership strategies that work, and real case studies from our rapid restarts. Subscribe for next week, where I'm showing you how to build complete AI products with the front-end interfaces that are still generating revenue months later.